Oh, that's graphic. That right there is Philadelphia. Philadelphia is around 9 years old. She's a mix, I believe, a Chihuahua and a poodle. But who knows, right? This is we're at my mom's house. She's very curious about everything. Although she's been here a couple of times now, but still. Oh, she's fine. Oh, one thing about her, she does circles all the time. What's the matter, sweetheart? Hmm? ¿Qué pasa? Okay, Philly. Ready to go home? Let's go home. My baby. You're a good Philly, huh? Oh, you're such a good doggy. You're a good doggy. My wife says that she needs to get a haircut, but I like the way she looks right now. I don't like it when they cut her up. See the pink of her flesh. I like it like this. She reminds me like of a little Snoopy. Alright, say bye, Philly. Philly is watching The View. Oh, that'd be nice, this gentleman. Don't bark at him. No. Hey, don't bark. Quiet. Philly, you're so nosy. You know that? Philly, where's your maturity, Philly? Mind your own beeswax. Mind your own beeswax. That means business. Okay, no, Philly wants to know what's going on. Just like you, Alice. Philly. All right. Say bye, Philly. Good job.